UK Immigration ID Check application. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to use UK Immigration ID Check application. So let's get started. First go to government website and start your visa application. When asked to confirm your identity, a QR code will appear on the screen. If you're using a smartphone for the whole process, you don't need to scan a QR code. Open the UK Immigration ID Check application and select QR code when prompted. Then hold your phone's camera up to the QR code on your application page until the app recognizes it. If the QR code is not visible, choose connection code in the application and enter the displayed code on the web page. Take a clear photo of the photo page of your passport, ensuring the entire page and bottom numbers are visible. Then take a clear photo of the back of your BRP card, then the front. Remove any phone cases and tap check now in the application. After that, place your phone on top of your passport or BRP and move it until the application reads the document. Now you will hear a beep or see a success message once the document is recognized. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the identity check. Once confirmed, continue with the rest of your visa application on their website. And that's all. That's how you will be able to use UK Immigration ID Check application.